Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is cybersecurity is a broad concept. After going through this course, the students will understand that cybersecurity covers network security, web security, wireless network security and mobile security. The students will understand that by addressing network security, web security, wireless network security and mobile security, the organizations can establish comprehensive security measures to safeguard their digital assets and maintain the confidentiality, integrity and availability of their systems and data. The students will understand that cybersecurity is an ongoing and ever evolving field that requires constant vigilance and proactive measures to counter the evolving threat landscape. The students will understand the various steps involved in incident response. They will also understand that incident response process is a crucial component of an organization's cybersecurity strategy. The students will also understand that the organizations also have to comply with various cybersecurity regulations and standards. The students will learn that the aim of cybersecurity regulations and standards is to protect sensitive data, avoid legal and financial consequences, and build trust with customers. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.